Welcome, friends. Today, we're going to explore the world of relationships in Salesforce. Just like relationships connect people in real life, Salesforce relationships connect data. Ready to see how it all works? Let's dive in. What are relationships in Salesforce? In Salesforce, relationships are connections between different types of data or objects, like linking a contact to the company they work for. There are several types of relationships: lookup, master detail, and hierarchical. Lookup relationships are like acquaintances, loose connections where one record can relate to many others. Master detail relationships are closer, like family ties, where the detail, child, record's existence depends on the master, parent, record. Hierarchical relationships are used specifically for users, organizing them in a company hierarchy. Why do we use relationships? They help organize and make sense of data. For instance, if you run a bookstore, using relationships helps you see not just who bought a book, but also their purchase history, preferences, and feedback, all connected to their customer profile. This connectivity enhances data quality and helps businesses provide personalized services efficiently. Let's say you own a bookstore and John Doe is a customer. With relationships in Salesforce, you can easily link John's contact record to all his purchases and feedback. Next time John visits, you instantly know his favorite genres and recommendations, making his shopping experience personal and swift. How to create relationships in Salesforce step by step. To build a relationship, first decide where to start. Let's choose the Contacts object in Salesforce. Navigate to Setup, then Object Manager, and select Contacts. Click on New Field and select the type of relationship you want to create. For our bookstore, let's make a lookup relationship to link contacts with their purchase records. Configure your relationship, adjust visibility settings, and add your new relationship field to the page layouts. Test it by viewing a contact record to see linked data, like purchases. And there you have it. You've just created a relationship in Salesforce, turning isolated data into valuable connections that drive insights and efficiency. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Salesforce tips.